Okay, here it is. It's very moist. Got a good texture, very moist. Very good. Real good flavor. Okay, this is our recipe for avocado brownies. We'll start off with 2 ripe avocados. Okay. Then next we're going to go with 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. Okay. This is the special dark one. You can use either one. It's 2/3 cup. All right. Next, get that in there. Next, we're going to go with 4 eggs. Okay, just 4 regular eggs. Okay. All right. Next, we're going to go with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I use the pink Himalayan salt and baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And got a little chocolate fluid in it. Got that here. Just regular baking powder. Make sure you get some fresh baking powder. This is pink Himalayan salt, like I said. Alright, put that in there. Okay. Next we're going to go with 2/3 cup of sweetener. Now I use the whole earth sweetener. It's good for baking. You can use the other types, but I found they're bitter. This one is not bitter. Okay, and like I said, we're going to go with 2/3 cups of that. Okay, put that in our bowl. Alright. Next, we're going to go with extract. I'm using vanilla extract. You can use rum extract, any kind of extract that you like. And what we're going to do, we're going to go with 2 teaspoons as the extract. I'll put 2 teaspoons in there. Okay, got a little more leak in here. That's about 2 teaspoons. Alright. Then, for our extract, we're going to go with 1/2 cup of chocolate chip. No sugar, 0 sugar is what I use. 0 sugar chocolate chips. Okay. There we go. That's a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Okay, then the last ingredient will be 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Okay. Now you can use butter instead of coconut oil. I prefer coconut oil. Okay, then we're just going to simply mix everything up. Normally I'll mix it up as I'm going, but being I'm filming, I just put it all together. I'm going to mix it up real good. Okay. And we're going to bake it in an oven, a preheated oven. I have a small little oven I'll show you in a minute. that I use. Get all the maize and get everything in it. So after I stir it up real good, which is not stirred up yet, but I'll stir it up real good. And then I take, this is an 8-inch, it's an old baking pan I got from my mother back years, many years ago. It's an 8-inch pan, and we're gonna bake it at 325, okay, for 40 minutes. 325 for 40 minutes. And we're going to check it with a toothpick after, and to make sure that it's done. And that's about that's it. And next step we're going to be eating it. All right. When we finish mixing this up, I'll put it in my 8-inch square pan and put it in the oven. Okay, here's our little oven. It's preheated. Like I said, 325. And we're gonna cook it for 40 minutes. Okay. Another thing I forgot to say was I'll spray this olive oil in the pan. So you want to put a grease pan, whatever grease you like. Okay. So what we're gonna do now. It's hot. Open up the oven. We're going to stick it in there. There we are. Stick it in there. Okay, we're going to set it at 40 minutes. It's actually right on 40 minutes right there. Okay, in 40 minutes, we'll be eating some good brownies. We'll have to let it cool first, but that's how we do it here. Make avocado brownies. Yeah, they're just out of the oven. Cooked them for 40 minutes at 325. This is an 8x8 pan. Oh, kind of warm. It's an 8x8 pan. Oh, a little warm. Let them cool. We're going to cut them. Of course, I took the toothpick and make sure there was nothing on it. And we're going to cut them and little knife somewhere. Yeah. We're going to cut them and we're going to carve them out. That's how we do it here. How we make homemade avocado brownies. And they are good. Okay, here it is. Very moist. Got a good texture, very moist. Very good. Real good flavor.